In this video, I wanted to explain how exactly to install a SAO original roof rack, the version 1, the one that bolts directly to the factory roof rack. And I'll be showing you exactly how to do that coming up. Good afternoon, everybody. We will be having another sale on Roof Racks Panhard Bars, a new SAO original line of hats, all ready to ship, all at a discounted price. StandardAmericanOutdoors.com. We'll be having another Christmas and New Year's sale very soon, so watch out for that. Now, before we get into the install video, I want to kind of walk around, give a visual breakdown, kind of help everybody get their minds around how exactly this thing is made, what it's made with, and how strong this thing actually is. Despite being, I know I never weighed it, but I believe it feels like it's under 50 pounds. I'm gonna get it on the scale here pretty quick. Now, let's start with the hardware. It is grade 8. They're 3/8 grade 8 bolts in gold zinc to match the factory Toyota hardware. The cross members are all steel. The siding is all aluminum. The cross members with the holes are the bars that you use to mount to the existing roof rack. Now, the holes that are drilled out a little bit, I want to point something out because somebody will probably find it in the video. They're bored out a little bit. Now, this is to give the rear cross member, the mounting bars, a little bit of adjustability. I have 5 4Runners here, and every single one appears to have the same rack. Every one is different. So this gives me a little bit of universal fitment. All the holes are drilled to 3/8. These are nice and tight. These are nice and tight. These mounting bars, they are drilled. The holes are drilled out to a little bit bigger, just to give you a little bit more wiggle room when mounting. When this thing mounts up, it is extremely snug, extremely sturdy. Very, very sturdy. Another thing I want to mention, every roof rack, version 1 or 2, version 1 is currently on the website right now. Every single roof rack is actually handmade by me, hand fabbed, hand contoured. There's actually a nice contour around the whole underside of this siding. And honestly, that's what takes the longest, but the advantage of being handmade is everything is spot on. And another thing I wanted to let you know, if I didn't mention it already, this whole rack is made with US based suppliers, US based products. Steel's American, hardware's American, aluminum's American. All right, now let's get into exactly how to install this bad boy. I mean, look at that, it's pretty good. I'm gonna grab the roof rack here, put it on the rails. I gotta be careful with this one. This one actually is going out today. Put that on the rails there. Fits right in. Fits right in those gutters, falls into place. Once you have it up here, not in the center rails, but straight down through here, through the cross member, you're going to get a pen, stick it straight down in there, and mark right here on this piece of plastic. And you're gonna drill a 3/8 hole. It's gonna be tight, but it's necessary. You're gonna take your bolt that's supplied in the kit, you're gonna take your bolt, stick it under here, so it's gonna act like a stud, and you're gonna nut and washer right up top. Same thing with the back side there, same thing with the other side. And after that, once you get everything cinched up, that's what it looks like. Version 1 bolts to the existing roof rack. Once you have the tools, takes 15 minutes to install once you have the tools. But I mean, from here, the possibilities are endless as far as lights, whatever you want to mount to the rack. Light bar, lights on the side. This guy, he's had a high lift mount, or a high lift jack, he's got an awning on the other side, he's got that front light bar, which weighs a ton. Those lights are not cheap. And he's got pod lights on the side, pod lights in the back. He carries max tracks, a couple cargo boxes. I mean, he really puts that thing to the test, and you know, which is good, you know, because that's the original prototype. That's how it looks. StandardAmericanOutdoors.com. I do have a sale that is going to be going on roof racks, panhard bars, my brand new hat line. So if you want to jump on and grab version 1 of the SAO original roof rack, they're on the website, StandardAmericanOutdoors.com. They're on the website right now. I have 2 that require a lot less manufacture time than what is actually currently stated on the website. I appreciate it. That is how you install it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. You guys literally support me every single day in allowing me to build these and 4 others out in the front. But anyway, thank you for watching. I much appreciate it. StandardAmericanOutdoors.com. Brand new hat line. Get you one. Thank you much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.